Welcome to Cable Dahmer Kia. My name is Steve. This is our express service lane. What we do here for you is take care of some basic servicings like oil changes and tire rotations. In the process of this, we will also check your tires. Also do a full walk around your vehicle just to ensure that there is no damage to it as well. You have your service technicians here, Jacob and Sean. They'll be performing a number of services for you, including alignment checks, your oil changes, and your tire rotations. We can service all makes and models, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.